Hello! Welcome to the GuideKnight YouTube channel. Pretty much everyone can find a use for a sewing machine. Whether you need to hem 2 long jeans or 2 long curtains, monogram gifts, make baby blankets, or just want to mess around with textiles, a sewing machine will vastly expand what you can do. And although there are some beginner machines on this list, sewing machines are appliances that can last for decades with enough patience and care. Most of the experts we spoke to mentioned the importance of maintenance. There's plenty of crossover within these types. My sewing machine has a setting meant to replicate an overlock stitch, for example, and with a little finagling, you can sew a basic straight stitch on a serger.
Number 3. Singer Quantum Stylist 9960 Computerized Portable Sewing Machine.
Jessie Randall, founder of Loeffler Randall, says that her Singer Quantum Stylist 9960 sits right at my dining table, like a sixth member of my family. She says the machine has held up well to frequent use on a wide range of projects. The machine can do so many things, including quilt, embroider, make hundreds of different stitches, and gather fabric. She's used it to sew pillows, quilts, Halloween costumes, scrunchies, Loeffler Randall slipper prototypes, and, during the pandemic, over 1,200 fabric face masks.
Number 2. Janome Arctic Crystal Easy-to-Use Sewing Machine.
What sold me on this Janome machine, says strategist writer Kat Gillespie, was its series of accompanying YouTube videos apparently aimed at teenagers looking to hem their Depop jeans. Gillespie named her turquoise easy-to-use machine the best thing she bought in 2021. She likes that it's easy to switch on and start using, and says that it's neither over nor underloaded with features. A useful quality for beginners. 15 built-in stitches, first-step buttonhole, front-loading bobbin system, heavy-duty interior metal frame.
Number 1. Janome HD 1000 Black Sewing Machine.
This simple, powerful Janome machine is a favorite of graphic designer and home sewer Tracy Ma, who got it as a birthday gift from her husband. My mother-in-law Susan is a pro quilter and her quilting buddy spoke highly of this machine. She says, Ma describes the machine's aluminum construction as incredibly hard-wearing, and she appreciates its compact footprint. It's perfect for New York homes because it encloses into a tiny little thing, and you can slide it in your tiny closet, she says. I've never had any problems with it. I've recommended it a few times over the years to people who have never sewed before.
You are new here, subscribe our channel and like the video.